Is my eucalyptus tree dead? Commonly used for eucalyptus oil production, eucalyptuses are found in warmer areas of the United States as an ornamental tree. When dead, these trees display several extremely noticeable characteristics and should be attended to promptly. Identifying a dead tree. Keep an eye out for brown, withered leaves on your eucalyptus tree, as this can be an early sign of a dying eucalyptus. If your eucalyptus tree begins to shed the bark on its trunk and branches, and is exposing a brown shade of wood underneath, it is most likely dead. Loss of leaves can also signify a dead tree. Removal. Aside from creating an eyesore in your lawn or garden, dead eucalyptus trees may pose a fire hazard, especially when located close to your home. It is best to remove those trees ASAP. If you are unsure about the state of your eucalyptus tree, consider hiring a certified arborist to take a look at it before removing. They will be able to determine if your tree is alive or able to recover. Causes of death. Eucalyptus trees are susceptible to certain bug infestations and diseases, the most common being psyllid infestations. These can usually be controlled by the introduction of a natural predator, such as parasitic wasps. Another eucalyptus tree killer is cold weather and frost.